For victims of Hurricane Florence in South Carolina is coming sooner than some may have expected. The 1SC Fund, which was created after the great floods of 2015, has already received donations toward recovery efforts. Our Georgia Ree Godfrey has more details on how much money is now in that disaster account and why it plays a crucial role in helping residents get back in their homes.
We've never had this much rain, this much water in the state. We had the rain that fell on South Carolina, but also that fell in parts of North Carolina.
Hundreds of people living near the South Carolina coast have been forced from their homes by rising rivers and flash floods.
This disaster is one of unique magnitude. It hasn't ended. It's going to continue.
For many, the home they left behind won't be the same home they return to. That's where 1SC Fund comes in. The fund was created after the Great Flood of 2015 to help residents recover after disaster.
The people that are being affected are those in rural areas. They don't have a Home Depot down the street. They don't have a Lowe's down the street. And oftentimes they don't have the volunteers or the funds to even know where to start.
Friday morning, Governor Henry McMaster announced a $500,000 donation from United Healthcare to help victims of Hurricane Florence. 100% of the money goes directly to disaster recovery.
We're deeply concerned about the impact to South Carolina, and we're committed to helping rebuild the state and the work that's going on.
For many families, the fund gives a fresh start, but for others, the money can't replace what they lost in the storm.
I have contacted or attempted to speak personally to the families of everyone whom we lost during this crisis, this tragedy.
There have been 9 storm-related deaths, including 2 mental health patients who are being transported when flood water swept the van they were in off the road. In Columbia, Georgia Ree Godfrey, 7 News.
Governor McMaster says he's spoken to the daughter of Wendy Newton, one of the women who died in that van. McMaster has also reached out to the family of Nicolette Green, the other woman who was being transported.